You got your volume on? For your ringer, can you turn your volume on?
Oh, yeah.
Good morning. Welcome back to Tutorials by Brown Bag Websites. Today we're going to work on creating content, specifically videos, using a third-party component that we downloaded from the Joomla extension directory. It's called All Video Share. Let me double check that and make sure I got that right. Yeah, All Video Share. Okay, and we're going to specifically set it up for a website called realamericanblue.com. This is a video podcast, police and all things police. Some really interesting content in here. It's a really high graphic website. There's little text content on it. It's images and videos. Because of that, it doesn't, so this right here is actually going to be your featured blog. Notice there's no text, there's no read more links or anything like that. You're just simply going to click on the image and it will take you to whatever content. This one's a new video. There's also, so he does have some articles in here, but to get to that article, you just click on the image. There's no read more links or anything, like I said. Now, let's go ahead and go to the back end. This, before I go, this is what I call the Velma Dinkley template. If I've set it up for you and told you it's a Velma Dinkley template, this tutorial is specifically for you. So let's go to the home dashboard. Remember, I try to start all my tutorials out in the home dashboard. The first thing we're going to do is upload your introduction image. You should already know what that is. The introduction image to your media center. Go to Content, Media. Okay, so you should have already created the introduction image and you were given templates to do it with. It might open you up here to this is your file tree, remember? And in this particular template, you're looking for featured images, and this is going to be a new video, so we're going to hit new video. All right, remember, you're limited as to the size of the images that you can upload. I've already prepared one that's suitable for this. You go to upload, come down here to media picker, and let's see, let's go up to recent images. Oh, let's go to recent again. Here it is, right here. Okay. Idiots Among Us is the title. You know what, I already had it uploaded right there. Interesting. Yeah, let's go ahead and replace it. Okay. I did have it up here. I thought I had deleted it. I was testing it earlier. But anyways, so now we've uploaded the introduction image. Come up here. Remember, rename it. If I've given you, I should have given you a format when you rename your images. I'd like you to. It's all lowercase. So idiots, and then always use underscore, and that way we know the format that we've got it. Idiots among, and then another underscore us. File format is already selected. Hit save. All right, so now we have the introduction image, which is going to be displayed right here. It's going to be your link to the video. Our next step is going to be, let me see here. We're going to go ahead and create the new image. So remember, All Share Video is a component. You come over here to Components, click All Share Video. Come down to Videos. You can hit the plus symbol right here right away, and it'll open up a new one. You could follow the video link. Come up here, hit New. Let's give it a unique title. This one will be Idiots Among Us. Okay. Remember, as always, do not fill out the alias. It will auto-generate for you. Okay. So the first thing in creating a new video is the source type. If I've set this up for you, more often than not, I will have you using iframe embeds. Okay, so select iframe embed code. In order to get that code, we come over here to your YouTube channel. This is a video he's prepared, Idiots Among Us. Come down here where it says share. Over here where it says embed, hit copy. Come back up to, whoops, nope, come back up here. Right click, paste, okay. And you got the embed code in there. Come down here. You have to select a category before it'll allow you to save. I've set this one up. He's already got a category. You should already have a category as well. Real American Blue Talks. Select that. At this point, I would suggest you save it. That way, if anything happens, your progress has already been saved. We do not feature these. Remember, featured items show up on the home page. This is a... I'm sorry. No, let me change that. Back up. This is featured. No. Let me change that. I was right in the first place. Do not feature it. One more time. Do not feature the article. Leave it here. Featured, no. Descriptions. The description, this is Real American Blue Talks. It can be whatever you want, I guess. Okay. And double check everything. Hit save again. Everything went well. It's saved. Okay. Hit close. And you come out here. There you go. See, so in our video list, right here, you notice that it's already been added. Okay. So we've created the video. Our next step is going to be displaying it on the website. First thing to do there is to create an article to host it on. Think of the article as a landing page, okay? Yeah, you need the landing page before there so that there's something that the video can rest on, all right? So we come down here to articles. Again, you could hit the plus here or just come up here and hit new, whatever. Unique title. This is unique to the articles. We'll use the same title as we did for the video, and there won't be a conflict. Can't stress this enough. Never ever fill out the alias. So this article, since it's all video or all image based, first thing we want to do, we don't want anything to show up below the introduction image. So go ahead and add a read more image. Again, so this is where I was getting confused earlier. This is where you feature it, okay? In the article. The article is what actually shows up on the home page. So featured here, read more link right here. Don't worry, I've set it up so that the read more tab doesn't show. Come over here to images and links. We're going to add the introduction image. That was the image that you uploaded to the media folder earlier and renamed. Right here, Idiots Among Us. Make sure this check mark is checked and hit select. Give it a moment. See there, it shows up, Idiots Among Us. At this point, I would suggest you save again. Remember, save your content as you go along. Let's double check everything, see if I've got it. Category, no, I didn't change the category. Okay, so make sure this particular category for this website is Real American Blue Talks. I would have set a category up for your specific site. Okay, and let's go ahead and hit save again. Make sure it all saves and hit close. Okay. Here we are, Idiots Among Us. A new article has been created. It's showing featured, all right? I don't want to check something here. Hit here and refresh our screen. All right, look. So the image showed up. New video, Idiots Among Us. It's got a See More link. There's nothing to attach it to right now. So this introduction image, I don't even think it'll do anything if we click it. Except maybe, no, it won't. Okay, good. That's exactly what we want to happen. So you come over here, back here again. Let's go back to the home dashboard. There is a unique menu set up for this particular content on the Velma Dinkley template. You're going to come down here to menus. It'll be something similar to this hidden video menu. And click right there. And these are some of the ones we've already got here. So this is going to create a hidden link. All right. And we're just going to go new. Menu item type. We are going to go to articles. The menu item type is a single article down here. Boom. And let's go ahead and title this real quick. Idiots Among Us. Okay. I should have done that first. Remember, like I said, I can't stress this enough, so I'm going to keep going over it. Do not fill in the alias. Let it auto-populate. Okay, let's select the article. This is going to be the article we just created. And keep this in mind, you need to do it in this order, otherwise you're going to be bouncing back and forth between items and concepts. So click Idiots Among Us. And this is basically just a hidden link. All the options have already been set in your global configuration menu. It's on the hidden video menu. That's correct. Published, make sure it's published. And we'll get into start and finish publishing dates another time. For our purposes, we're just trying to do this. Let's go ahead and hit save. Now at this point, we should be able to refresh this and click this, Idiots Among Us. And so, yep, the link is created. Let's come back up here. Okay, that's done. Let's hit close. All right, and we're about to the final step, I believe. So we're going to come up here. So we've created the article, but remember, the video doesn't rest in the article. It actually rests in a module. So you click your modules. Let me check this in real quick. Try to keep your stuff checked in. If you have multiple people working on your site, they won't be able to touch it until you've checked it in. So saw the way I did that. Came over here to Site Modules. Clicked on it. We're going to hit New. When I installed your component, it would have installed a video gallery. We don't want the gallery. Let's see, J51 login. All video share search box. Player, all video share. Yep, that's it. So the player all video share tab here, like it says, a module that adds a single video player. Don't get confused with that. It just means a single video. Hit plus. Let's title it Idiots Among Us. So the ability to reuse this title over and over is because we're using it on different things. Remember, you can't, hold on, Among Us. You can't reuse a title in articles because of that alias. I should have explained it to you when you got your website, so we won't go into detail there. Okay, so Idiots Among Us. Let's go ahead and select the video. Remember, the first thing that we did was create the video. Like I told you, you have to do all of this in a specific order. Click video or Idiots Among Us, module positions, scroll down here to modules in use. And I'm actually, I think it was top A for this particular website. Okay, so let's go to top A, select a category, Real American Blue Talks. You will have a unique category for yours. All right. This one is Real American Blue Talks, video title, description. This just displays on the front page. I don't want any of that to happen. Top A, top B. Okay, so come over here to menu assignments on all pages. New. Only on the pages selected. Click that. Now notice everything is check mark. Assign to menu items. Click none. Come down here to your hidden video menu. Click Idiots Among Us. That's the only one that should be selected. Okay. You hit save. Let's save our progress. So that was menu assignments, modules. Hit go to home. Let's go ahead and refresh one more time. Come down here, click Idiots Among Us. There it is. This video is displaying on a single page. All right. A note, your site should be set up like this. When you click your video tab and come down here, you have what's called a video blog. Newest content is always up here. Oldest content is here. Whatever number we've set up, whatever you decided on, he chose 6 here. All right, so the last item will fade off the page. You could hit click more and yeah, see, that brings up a whole bunch, all the other videos that he's got sitting there. This is where he's got some pagination. You can click there, everything. But anyways, let's, you know what, let's test it real quick. Let's go back to home. We know that the link works. New video, it's around us. And I've been typing Among Us this whole time. Uh-oh. I am going to go back in there and correct that after after I finish this tutorial. All right. Okay. Let's hit play. Boom. There it is. All right. As always, thank you guys for joining us.
Morning, all. I was watching.
Thank you for joining us at Brown Bag Website Tutorials. Keep the shiny side up and have a good day.